How to edit header and footer in Google Docs. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open your Google Docs document. At the top of the page, you'll see the header area. To edit it, simply move your mouse over the header and double-click inside it. You can now type, delete, or change the text in the header. Once you're finished, click anywhere in the main document to exit the header. To edit the footer, scroll to the bottom of the page. Move your mouse over the footer area and double-click inside it. Now you can edit the footer text just like the header. When you're finished, click anywhere in the document to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully edited the header and footer in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful Google Docs tutorials.